My name is Kamil Malinowski. I'm a production control specialist at Danwood, SA. Danwood is one of the largest producers of turnkey prefabricated wooden houses in Europe, with a production capacity of 2,000 houses per year. Before Asprova, scheduling was done in Excel and limited to only those few workstations most important to the overall process. We were using simple methods to generate the production schedule, which meant it did not always reflect the real workload. The problem was synchronizing processes and predicting production times. We use Asprova to schedule all production processes, from picking and processing materials to the last finishing work. Thanks to Asprova, we could extend scheduling to all jobs and operations. We can take much more data into account, so we are able to calculate scheduled operation times much more accurately.
The production schedule is more flexible and synchronized and results in reduced WIP and overall inventory. Asprova is integrated with our ERP MS Dynamics 365 and an MES from APS-System. We have 2 factories and will soon build our 3rd. With Asprova, the overall time I spend daily scheduling all processes across all factories is only 30 minutes. In every scheduling run, Asprova assigns 20,000 operations.